Pinagdadasal ko, dumating na siya. Hindi ko siya tinanggap 100%.
Hi, I'm Yal, recovering millennial achiever, and this is Lesson 232, What Life Taught Me This Week.
Na-feel ko kasi na sobrang overwhelmed ako last week. Parang sa konting changes lang on my schedule, sobrang drained na ako. Parang magbe-breakdown na ako and all. I know naman, I just need to pause, to breathe, and to think about na I can handle this. Kasi parang on that moment, I realized din na, alam mo yun yung minamanifest ko for a very long time na I really want that little change. Pero nung dumating siya, parang I'm not openly receiving it. Drama-drama pa ako on my own. Pero yun naman yung pinagdadasal ko. Hindi ko siya tinanggap 100%. Parang I just need someone I can feel safe to process the thoughts that I have. Kasi parang it's a great reminder for me na sometimes you just need to ask for help, ask for someone to hold space for you, especially on those moments na sobrang gulong-gulo ka na. Tapos you will realize na, oh nga no, kaya naman pala siya.